Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at why students lose marks in IELTS academic reading. Many candidates lose marks not because the whole test is too difficult, but because they make avoidable mistakes. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel if you are preparing for IELTS academic and ISO PR. This will help you receive many lessons from me on this channel, and thank you for your support. Many candidates lose marks in IELTS academic reading not because the whole test is too difficult, but because they make avoidable mistakes. Number one, student misread the question. A common problem is reading too quickly and missing an important detail in the question. For example, a candidate may notice a familiar word in the passage and choose an answer before checking exactly what the question requires. Test takers should read the relevant part of the text carefully rather than matching words too quickly. Number two, students look for matching words instead of meaning. In IELTS reading, the correct answer is often expressed in different words from the question. Candidates may choose the wrong option because they see a familiar word in the text and think it must be the correct answer. This is called a distractor. In multiple choice tasks, IELTS recommends finding the relevant part of the text using the question. Then you should understand it first. Only after that should you choose the answer option closest to the meaning. Number three, students lose marks through spelling. In reading, spelling matters. If a word is spelled incorrectly, the answer is marked incorrect. This means a learner may understand the passage but still lose the mark by writing the answer inaccurately. Number four, students break the word limit rule. For question types that require words from the text, IELTS says candidates must read the instructions carefully. If the word instruction says no more than 2 words and or a number, writing more than that makes them lose marks. Hyphenated words count as one word. Number 5, student copy answers carelessly. Another avoidable mistake is writing an answer that repeats a word already given in the question. In some completion tasks, this can make the answer incorrect even if the student has found the right part of the text. Students lose marks. Number 6, students lose marks or lose focus under time pressure. Candidates may get answers wrong because they do not have enough time or lose concentration. This becomes especially important later in the test, when texts often feel more demanding and tiredness starts to affect accuracy. For those aiming for professional registrations like teachers, small errors such as spelling, word limit mistakes, and misreading instructions can reduce a score that may be important for formal requirements. How can you avoid losing marks? Read the question carefully before searching for the answer. Focus on meaning, not just matching words. Check spelling before moving on. Obey the word limit exactly. Stay alert for the distractors in multiple choice questions. Manage time so that concentration remains strong across the full test. Thank you so much for listening to me in this lesson. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And please share this lesson so that others can learn. Thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye.